here we have number 2. Given A, B, C are collinear, AB is equal to BD, BD is equal to BC, you're going to have to prove that B is the midpoint. So always start with what you are given. Then it looks like they got AB is equal to BC. Something does get replaced. That replacement is the substitution property. Then from the substitution property, the next line, it is the squiggly line. So it means the line segment of AB becomes BC. When you go from equation to the congruent, or the congruent to the equation, you're just using a definition. The definition here is of congruent segments. Then you finally get to the midpoint. Therefore, it has to be definition of midpoint. Okay, understand that this is going from the algebra to the geometry using the definition. Okay, then here from the congruent parts, then you can get the definition.